Right. Boom. All right, the live should be coming up right about now. Good morning, everybody, on this beautiful July 25th. Glad to have you all here. This Friday, is everybody excited to get this party started on this beautiful Friday or what? Yes, yes, lower premiums. This is David's favorite day. This is his Apple bargain hunting day. Don't forget, because it is Options Friday, could be a little more volatile. Also, if you are doing 0 day till expiration, meaning if you're buying any options today that expire on today, so if you look at the date and it shows expiration of today, I would recommend that you do not stay in them after around lunchtime, just because theta or time decay will start to eat up your option price. Great. So if you get into some, you lock into something juicy, listen, you can always sell it ASAP and just get into something for the next week, the next day, if it's SPX or SPY or whatever, right? So again, just pay attention. Make sure you're watching that. I don't want you to lose all your money just because you're sitting there holding it into the end of the day and going, why am I losing money? It's going up, but I'm losing money. That's why. So please don't do that. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, M&M, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you guys. Thank you to all of my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Also, thank you to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. I heard a real one back there. It got the sound got clipped out a bit, but I did hear that. Thank you. No worries. Spy on the pullback here. Everybody see this big old pullback on SPY and the Qs and the market? Everybody catch that? All right. Did you guys see this pullback? Yeah, huge pullback. Hmm. Yeah, it was y- yep. Yeah, it's up there pretty high. Uh, I was just gonna say I don't think I'm sharing my screen. Thank you. Hold on one second. There we go. Look at that pullback on SPY with support there at what is that? 634.78. All right. A little bit of a glare off the sun here. What I need to do, I'm gonna have to get this umbrella out. Give me one second. I want to get this umbrella out before the sun comes up and just wreaks havoc. I'm out here at this lake house, so bear with me. Let me get this umbrella out. One second. Should have did this morning. I didn't even think about it. I'm just not used to opening it up an umbrella before I go live. Yeah, both. Get them both out. Get them both out, man. Here we go. Yes, there she is. That's oh boy, so nice. Yeah, with your drink. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, yeah. If I was in Florida right now, it's a be a different story. I promise you that. Get me a nice, delicious, cold, angry orchard for breakfast with a Bloody Mary. That'd be nice. Yeah, it does. Sounds real nice. With a big fat cigar. Woo! Don't get me started. Don't tempt me with a good time. Yeah, nom 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 nom. That's right. But instead, I'll have to have this delicious, chemical ridden, dye number 85 Diet Mountain Dew. I'm not doing that. I'm not, yeah. It's not happening, man. Let, yeah, let me just enjoy the little things. Okay, I do have a coffee next to me though, right? Double dip in here. I got my Mountain Dew, I got a coffee. Boy, this is here. I'm gonna show you guys my view here in just a second. Hold on. Oh, I love Diet Dr. Pepper. Yes. Diet Dr. Pepper is actually super close to the real thing. It's one of the closest, I think, as far as diets go. Yeah, it is so close. Real. It's nutto. Here, check this out, gang. Now, if you guys are on Zoom and you want to see this, what you need to do right now is flip over to YouTube. Go to the YouTube channel, American Dream Trading, or of course on TikTok, you guys will see this. I just want you guys to see the ambiance. This is what I'm dealing with today. This is my trading station today. Hold on, let me show you guys. Let me take you on a little tour here real quick. So this of course is where I'm hanging out, right? This is the umbrella, of course, that just opened up, but you can see I've got my iPad next to me with our trading view indicators. Highly recommend those if you guys are VIP. VIP futures, crypto, diamond. You guys have access to that. But this is my view. How's that for a trading view? Can you guys see the lake? Yeah. Yep, that's my view. Right? I just walk down there, and then of course we're chilling. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, as you can hear all the wildlife. So nice. So this is my desk today, right? Yeah. It really is. I love that. That's awesome. Just a nice, relaxing, peaceful serenity surroundings. Yes. Well, there's a couple spots. We actually have a dedicated channel for it. If you look on the left on Discord, it says, what is it, gang? 3 year. It's called, yeah, 3 year anniversary on the left-hand side. Do you see it? It's underneath testimonials on the Discord. Yep. Yep, yep. Yep, thank you. Nice. One of our members who shall not be named is at 51,352 and 40 cents. That's a hell of a way to start the morning out, am I right? He, yeah, he was at 144,000 yesterday after he's reset his account, still making over six figures every single day. Absolutely love that. We did the math this morning. This will blow your minds. On average, every single day he shows up at American Dream Trading, he makes more every day than what he did an entire year of his six-figure 9 to 5 job. So every month that he's here, because he's trading futures, which means that he has 24 trading days basically per year or per month, that is 24 years worth of his 9 to 5 job. Every month he comes to American Dream Trading. Every month is worth an entire lifetime of what he made before. Every single month. Isn't that nutto? It's incredible. It's incredible. I think he's got to be closing in on 7 million now. Yep. Oh yeah, he hasn't had a green or a red day in I think he's the same as David. I think it's been since October. But he hasn't had a red day since October. Right? Yes. Yes. Just getting it done. This is a crazy statistic, and we're not going to throw any names out there, but in the last, I want to say it was the last week and a half, our members have made over $15 million in profits. That's a week to a week and a half ish. Now, one of our members, of course, had like 11 million in a $2 million day, but still, right? The numbers are astronomical here, right? Am I right, gang? Just incredible. Just good job. So everybody, keep it up, man. Keep up the good work. Listen, if you're not there yet, that's okay. That's what we're doing. That's why we show up every day, right? We just consistently will keep working at it. Oh, thank you for the money guns. I see that over there. We'll consistently keep working at it. We'll get better every single day. Do your work, do your homework, follow the rules. Remember in July here, only got one more week, but remember in July, we were working on controlling the controllables, right? I've been trying to do some catchy phrase stuff, just trying to get you guys to remember and do the work. But this entire month, we wanted to work on what you can control, right? Which your rules, your journals, right? Going back in time, making sure you're not blowing up your accounts. Control the things you can control, right? Oh, Ray, no. Indicators for regular premium members, no, they do not come with that. Speaking of that premium, just so you guys know, next Friday will be the last day you will be able to buy the premium, which is the regular premium membership, lifetime membership. So we didn't have that for 2 years. I opened it up. It's been out there too long. You will not be able to buy any more premium lifetime memberships. It's just going to go back to just regular 125 a month forever. So if you want that, it's 750 one time or 125 forever. So again, that's kind of a losing business model for me. So I'd rather get your 125 forever, to be honest with you. Thank you. Ding. Appreciate you. Uh, Speaking of forever, if you guys are interested, I have the Diamond Lifetime Membership. We'll talk about it in just a second. Oh, thank you for those gifts. But Diamond Lifetime Membership 20K gets you unlimited lifetime access to all of our membership services. Highly recommend you guys take advantage of that. That is the best program we have available right now. Speaking of programs, let me play this real quick. Let me about 4 minutes station identification and get this out. So if you guys are interested in our product services, here you go. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you.
and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto futures or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up.
All right, there we go. Thank you. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get to crack-a-lack. And don't forget, thank you for those gifts, fireworks shows, Miranda. Miranda's over here sending all sorts of stuff, Tiny Dinies, the TGIFs, Ray Ray with all the gifts, the lightning bolts, the goats, the corn. Thank you, man. Dave, thank you for the heart me's. I appreciate that. Ray Ray, I see all those. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, of course, everybody that's over here in the Zoom. We got about 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes to go before we get started. You guys want to say good morning to everybody? Everybody in my
I
Zoom?
really like hot dogs.
You really like hot dogs. Okay. Breakfast of champions.
Morning, morning.
Good morning.
Good morning from Rhode Island.
Good morning. Anybody else? We got more
Good
people in here. We
Morning,
got
Coach.
300
morning.
people in
Good
here. Come
morning,
on.
Coach.
Thank
Good
you.
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
There
morning.
you go.
Good morning.
Morning,
What's
morning, Coach.
that?
How's
Good morning,
that?
Sister.
Good morning.
This is the day the Lord has made.
There it is.
Good morning and happy birthday to my son Ethan. He turned 16 today.
Oh, hey, happy birthday, Ethan. That's awesome, man. That's a cool name too, right? Like Ethan Hawke.
Thank
Very
you.
cool. Yeah, happy birthday, brother. Very nice. Dad, you better do something cool, right?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good for you guys. So 9:22, we got a little bit here before the bell. We've already posted our hot stock picks, the pre-market setup. Anybody in the VIP? Has anybody made any money yet? The bell hasn't rang. Has anybody made any money?
2% already, Coach.
Bam!
Bam!
Bam! That's what I'm talking about. We
1%.
Thank you. We got Palm in the house too. That's pretty
Yeah, I
nice.
made some money this morning.
Thank you. I got my dueling banjo partner, my dueling banjo trading partners in the room with me today. That'll be exciting. Let me clear this chart real quick. Hold on one second. Let me set myself up for success here. Give me just a moment. Now remember, every day when you walk in the room and you start looking at the charts, you always want to mark previous day high, previous day low, and pre-market high, pre-market low. Mark it now. Do it. Do it. Do it now. every day, right? I tell you every day to do this. You can see I'm doing it now. Should not take you very long. There you go. I am set up for success. Let me do the same over here just to get a little bit closer. Here, major level here, right there, right over there, and right there. Somebody's down there playing a saxophone or something. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Somebody said, speaking of hot dogs, hey, who ordered and who has received and who has tried those Kogels? Not sponsored by Kogels. Your Kogel Red Hots. Has anybody received those yet? Want to remember when I said that? Right, that was the hot stock
Mark
pick.
got his, and I think he was saying he's going to eat the whole jar in one day.
Did he try them yet? Do you know?
I don't know,
Oh,
but he
okay.
did get them delivered.
Oh, good deal. I'll have to find
Did
out.
they
I'll have to
finally
ask.
show up? Because yesterday he was watching the tracking on it was going all over the country.
Yeah, I said I had to get like approval agricultural or something, probably because it's,
Yeah,
food, yeah, crossing state lines. He's like, what is this? I had like security and
right. Danger,
oh,
danger.
yeah, danger. That is so wild just to get some damn red hots. Hey, it's worth it. Okay. I should have did something fun and did like a wheel of cash, $1,000 or something for everybody that actually paid attention and listened to me just to get your ears perked up a little bit, but maybe next time. Maybe next time. We'll
We
see.
are going to do that on the anniversary and put those pickled
Oh, we
dogs
are.
on the
Oh,
wheel.
oh, absolutely. Yeah. Kogels, if you're listening, you better sponsor us. You're going up on the wheel of cash, baby. You could have an opportunity to win yourself the Kogel Viennas and chicken and a biscuit, baby. That's the dueling combo. Can't go wrong with that.
Hey, can we have a wheel every hour?
Sure. I'll come and find you though when we need the prize money. We'll do it with your cash. How does that sound?
I don't have a problem with that as long
Okay.
as it's $10.
You guys hear that? $1,000 every hour on the hour. He's ready to go. I like it.
Writing it down right now.
Yep, write that down right now. Let's lock that in. Let's lock that in. Let's make that happen. 3-year anniversary. Don't forget, big party next Friday. Big party next Friday. Make sure everybody is in attendance. I don't care what you're doing. If you need to call in sick, okay, might not do that. But, anyways, you need to be here next Friday for our 3-year anniversary. We're going to do lots of fun things, lots of giveaways, games, all the things. Bring the kids. Well, just, plug their ears when coach gets stupid and sweary and all that. But anyways,
Jar.
3-year anniversary. If you guys, I see stories are still coming in. Who knows? Maybe we'll do a fun drawing out of the 3-year anniversary area as well. If you guys have a journey that you'd like to talk about, or anything you've learned, or right, anything that has maybe changed your life, or anything about this journey with American Dream Trading, please post it in the 3-year anniversary on the Discord. Otherwise, you can email us media@americandreamtrading.com. We'd like to talk about that and discuss that. By the way, somebody sent me a picture this morning, one of our members, of their new car out of the blue. It is a Bentley. Okay, so thanks for what you do.
Oh,
This said,
no,
this is what your teaching has done for me. Thank you, coach. It's a Bentley. That's nice.
a Bentley.
Yep. So very nice. Getting things done here, right? So again, if you guys have pictures, I've got tons of people that have bought new cars. We've got Mark, Eric, Steve,
Me.
yep, Nana. There's so many. I know at least 20 people have bought a new car from American Dream Trading. Post them.
We'd like to see that stuff, right? That's cool. Houses, trains, planes, boats, whatever. Post them over there. We'd like to talk about it. We got about a minute to the bell. Real quick, legal, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Make sure you guys follow the rules. If you're new to trading, don't use real money. Right? While you are training with us, paper trade only. I don't want you guys blowing up your accounts while you're trying to learn, right? Invest in the training, not using real money going into the market. You're just going to lose it. So don't do that. Make sure you guys have stops on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, cryptos, or futures. Make sure you journal all your trades. Make sure you go in with small position sizes. That'll allow, right, those runners to run and stop out those losers. Going in small, I'm telling you, there's a lot to that. Trust me. Um, Also, make sure you guys are following each and every one of these rules. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, 10 seconds to the bell, do not trade anymore with real money. Take the next month off. All right, here we go, gang. I, of course, will be trading live in front of you. Today, I'll be trading futures because we're promoting our futures product. But I will be trading this live. All right, here we go. Getting a nice pullback here. Let's see if we got a little bit more.
Microsoft and Amazon really pulling down.
Yep, thank you. That was a huge pullback and a bounce. Let's see if it's going to pull some more. Thinking about it. Still bouncing here. Still got a lot more room to go to the downside here.
Palantir to the upside.
Thank you. PLTR to the upside. Good call. NQ is just sitting here dancing at this level, looking to see this to pull still. We can get a breakthrough of this, what is this, 2347. Still dancing on that area. SPY is at 0.12% to the upside, but it's opening flat. Apple 2-minute EWO is in effect to the upside, but please be careful. Apple lately has had a tendency to open to the upside, and then it just immediately crashes out. We've been seeing it do that for about the last 2 weeks, right, gang? So we really want to be careful of that. NQ and SPY is starting to pop here to the upside. Oh, it looks like my order sold off. I didn't even see it do that. Okay. It should not have sold off.
Yes.
That was strange.
Gone, bro. Gone. No, I'm like,
Moderators, you want to get that? That'd be great.
Coach, did I just hear?
That's all I heard. That's all I heard. And then it was, Coach, I'm going to buy that Diamond Lifetime membership because it's the greatest
But them
thing I've
cheeks,
ever heard of.
baby.
That's all I heard.
ELTR new half day.
Thank you. PLTR continuing to climb. Thank you.
Mark's gonna yell at me for cheating, but I gotta hang out with you sometime too.
Yeah, I hear you. Bouncing around, getting the best of both worlds.
I get all the training, man, all of it.
That's right. All's the trainings. SPY still to the downside here.
I'm telling on you.
Yep. SPY still to the downside. Looking for that pullback to around 634.72. 634.72 is what we're watching for. Still to the downside. You are below the 9. See if it's got more to give. SPY's got about 50 cents to get back to close of previous day. 64 cents. Trying to find support at 634.85. I'm going to mark it. Got it. 634.85 is support.
Oh, the sun is out here in full effect this morning. It was not this hot this fast yesterday. If I bail out of here early, you guys will know why. I'm over here getting cooked. Coach is on fire, like literally burning over here on this deck.
Cooked coach.
Let's see. I've got my kill spot set up right here above this 200. Still moving to the upside. Spy doing the same thing, pulling back on that 200. Can you guys hear the, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Can you hear the boats out here? What a different, cool, scenic view, right? Out by the lake. It's awesome. Spy trying to break this 200. Fight in that area. We'll see what it wants to do. And Q's doing the same thing. It's hitting this 200. It's kind of bouncing around in this area. Watching, being patient. It is staying above the 9 though. I guess I've got that stop sitting up there just to protect me. There it goes. I was going to say, I don't like it being above that 9 at all. Not a good setup. There it goes. Getting a nice little pop here to the upside. See if that can hold. See, I got a level right here just above VWAP. I'll be keeping an eye on
I
that.
caught that second dip and I flipped it for the bounce and it just kind of kept going. So I just took it right there just in case.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, I've got it marked there at 635.58 upside. It looks like the pre-market high, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. That's a huge resistance level too at 635.58. Interesting to see if that's going to break that or not.
Yeah, that was relevant yesterday too, and late in the afternoon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm very curious to see what that's going to want to do. NQ pulling back here again, just kind of bouncing around, still hovering above the 9 though. Yeah, this is up there. SPY just hit 635.49, so technically this is the top.
Grab puts for the quick flush. Now I'm
Yep,
waiting to see if it holds here.
right. I'm in there now on those shorts. And then Q. See if it's got quite a bit more room to go, but
There
there
it
it
goes.
goes. Yep. We
I
both said
got
at the
out too
same
soon.
time. That's awesome. It's got some more in it. Oh, still staying down there. Yes, I like that. That's better. That's much better. I'll take it right there. That's 1,000. Yes, beautiful trade right there. Still looking good to the downside. I'm gonna wait and see if this is gonna bounce at this area though. This is where it's bounced twice before. I'm talking about NQ, not SPY, by the way. So I hope I don't confuse you, Palm.
Yeah, it's doing the same thing, so we're good.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, it looks like yeah, SPY again. Still got that gap to fill down to 634.85. So yeah, my NQs are bouncing here around this 23,342. Looking for a pull again. There it goes. Nice. Beautiful, I'll take it. Another couple hundred. SPY still coming down to fill that gap, 634.85. Now, just be careful. Yeah, because I would say at 635, it keeps trying to bounce.
Yeah. It did that yesterday too.
Yeah, did it? Okay.
635 was like a super relevant line yesterday.
Oh, good. Okay, yep. Yeah, I can
But it
see
really couldn't
here.
hold one side or the other, it just kept magneting back to it.
Yeah. Yep, yep. And now look at Apple. Remember, gang, I told you to be careful on Apple every day. It's been popping at the open, and then it immediately bleeds out, which is exactly what it did again, didn't it, gang? I've been saying that every day, right? Okay, good. Need my cricket sound effects. It's the only thing I'm missing. I need to remember to bring my soundboard.
It was super sketch, but it worked out.
Yeah, good job. Did you scoop that up down there in the bottom?
On the 35.
Yes, good job.
I like it was counterplay, but it worked.
Yeah, nice work. Well, the good thing, all right, as long as you had your stop or your mental stop a little bit below it, you'd have been all right.
Yep. I survived it.
Yep, good job. Now let's see if we can get a push back up there to that 35.58 area again. Now that we're back above the 200, doesn't have a lot of room to get up there.
Those seller wicks are coming fast.
Yeah, because every time it gets closer up there, it bleeds out quick.
Yeah.
It's like,
run away.
yep, yep, for sure. I know I'm watching NQ right here to see if I'm gonna get a pullback right here. Actually, I'm gonna get in that. I'll put my stop just above. Oh, there it goes. I got it. I nailed it.
Oh, I missed it. I was waiting for a little more upside.
Yep, yep.
I didn't get picked up.
Ah, damn it. I think I got flat. I took it when a candle stalled, but I think I sold it flat. Yeah, oh yeah. I couldn't hold up there, Palm. Look at that. It's just holding on VWAP. It's just sitting on that shelf.
Just Friday morning trash at VWAP.
Yup. Man, yesterday was a mess.
That's okay. I already got 6 trades in, so I'm all right.
Oh, good deal. I think I'm down right now off those first two trades. Let me look. That's what I was just getting ready to check. Yeah, I'm down 3K right now off those first two trades. So working out of a deficit, but we'll put in the work. And the funny thing is both of them are to the downside, and the first one just sold off because I was in too high, and you know the way that futures margins would force sell it, so it force sold it, and then it went down. So I've got to be careful when I do that. Oh, Paul, Matt is teetering now below VWAP. Look at his thing. It's trying to make a decision right now.
Brutal.
Yep, it really is. Just like mine, as much as I'd like to short that, I'm not. I got to be patient and wait. I want to see these candles bleed.
Man, take out a lawn chair at VWAP, right?
Yep.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah, just stalling out.
Pick something.
Honestly, I'd like to see a push up to that 635.58 and then tank new low. That's what I'd like to see in the perfect trading world.
Or
Don't forget.
we was pulling hard.
Yeah, or yeah, exactly. Yeah, or just crash out. Just get the crash card out and just die the whole time.
Just go.
Yep, just go. Don't forget, gang, if you guys have a call out, especially on a 2-minute EWO first indicator, especially if you let us know, that'd be great. Or any hot stock picks, of course. Try not to call out some irrelevant stock like 2 or 3% type of thing, unless it's right, unless it's meaningful. That'd be great. Appreciate you. How's Google, Amazon, Microsoft, the Qs? How are they looking, gang? Anybody?
They slightly
What's Tesla?
rebounded, but it's nothing.
Still downside, Tesla? Let me
Not
look.
really.
No, it's upside, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's upside open, but it looks like it's sitting on 2-minute VWAP here, so.
They all into weird positions. It's weird. That's why
Tesla.
SPY is so flat.
Yeah, Tesla looks like it's gonna crash right here. It looks like it's trying to collapse.
I didn't trade yet. I'm like, nope, I don't like it.
Google's at a double top here.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Qs are sitting right at the open. Right at its open. Just waiting. See what it wants to do. Let me check SPY. Checking the 2-minute EWO. Yeah, pre-market high was 635.56. So yeah, we're still waiting on that 35.58-ish area. Was that pre-market high? It's slowly working its way up there. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the downside on those discounted premium pricing for options on Apple right now.
And Google new high a day.
Oh, good call out. Thank you. 45 SPY is technically hit close enough to that 58, but I'm still waiting. Same with my NQ.
Grab puts on resistance.
Yeah, I'm looking to short NQ here off this 200 it's sitting at.
Selling a VWAP. I'm not waiting for the flush.
Yeah, no, I agree. Right here, I'm gonna short this. It goes right off that 200. If it's got some more, there it goes. Come on, baby, get down there. I will set my mechanical stop right there, just above the 200, with a little bit of room for a wick. Rid of this. Oh yeah, SPY. Right on that spot. Oh my gosh. NQ's doing the same thing, man. It just keeps fighting the spot. Come on, drop. Get out of my life. Go. Go away. There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Stay down there. Don't. I was going to say, stay down there. Don't make me reset the stupid trade. I hate that.
NQ's quicker on the downside. SPY's
Yeah.
a little quicker on the upside.
Yep, yep.
Weird.
Yeah, I got the move in there, but it couldn't hold. I mean, I made $100, but that's not the trade obviously I'm looking for. Yeah, still fighting it. SPY's crashing out right here.
Yep, I got it.
Yep, good job. Then Q keeps doing this. I'm going to flip to ES so I can trade it with SPY. In fact, I might do that now. Hold on. Then we'll be on the same page. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Let's see.
Catch one more bigger move to the downside here.
Yep.
They're not letting it drop though.
PLTR new high.
PLTR new high. Thank you.
Hot stock or IPO and hot stock LHAI halted to the downside.
Thank you. Good call. I'm in this ES short off this. There we go. I was going to say off the bottom of this 9. I really have to watch though. ES does not move like NQ. It's kind of turtley, you know, instead of them big old long ridiculous candles.
Meta, second green EW.
Oh, good. Thank you. Oh, Spy is holding off that VWAP.
That is boring to me this morning. Holy cow.
Yeah, I had a short there, but it held up on VWAP. So we're above. We should see, should get that long. It's going to attempt that 58 again at 35.58 area.
Yeah. I just sold it there.
Oh, yep. Good job. That, because it keeps pulling back right there around that 40 mark.
Yeah. These are like 30 second, 40-second trades.
Oh, yeah. It's like, it's almost a candle trade, you know. Come on. You're going to get this push up. Yeah, hang in there, Spooky. You'll be all right. Listen, Spooky over on TikTok says, I feel like he's taking him for a ride, a little bit of a chop last couple days. Listen, if it starts doing that, just go in smaller position sizes so you can really evaluate. Oh, there's the pull.
Caught it.
Yep, beautiful
Nailed
bleeder.
it. Sold it.
Oh,
Boom.
oh,
Done.
good job.
That was close.
Yeah, good
Just
job.
got it done right on the wick. Whoa.
That's beautiful. Not like mine. I ended up picking it up at the bottom of the whole trade. Nice.
I run smaller position size on these things just because they're moving so quick.
Yep, yep. Yeah, I'm only doing 5 contracts at a time, so a couple $100 at a time, basically. I could do on this. I could actually, let's take a peek. I could put a trailing stop on here. Let it work.
So somewhere within the next 5 minutes or so, we might start to see a break out of this channel.
Yeah, it's trying now, and I can see like the cues are popping. Spy finally starting to get a little bit more strength to the upside.
Yep. It's really not prairie dogging yet. It's not popping its head out, coming up yet.
Yeah, and it's not staying up there yet. It's not getting up there and keeping its head above water, you know? The llama head.
Yep.
I'm still sitting in this short position from when it bled out and it caught the bottom of the damn wick. But I've got my stop up there, so if it tries to break that 35.58, I'll be covered. Because this has still just been dancing in the same spot over and over and over, so.
Yep.
Just wait for the clock to, you know, hit 6 again. 12 on the top, 6 on the bottom, right? Just round and round it goes.
Totally. Normally I would have shorted that, but not now.
Yeah, strong candles coming out of there.
Yeah, it's prairie dogging now.
Yep.
Going up for a look. See if it's gonna get spanked.
Yep, first time. First time it's trying it.
Yep.
There it is, up on the ceiling. I'm gonna short the shit out of this in a second.
Same thing.
Right now I'm in it.
Yep. Nailed it.
Yep.
What I'll do is I'll put the stop back where it came from, just in case. Yeah, short the shit out of that. There we go. Come
And
on.
I'll take it right there.
Nice job. I'm getting a little greedy. I'm holding on for a little more because if it's weak, we're going to get a full crash out off of that test to high.
Yeah, like all the way to VWAP type of
Yes.
thing.
Yep.
Or at least down to the 21 in the 1 minute.
Yes, sir. I need a little more pull so I can protect this and still make decent money. There it goes. That's better. I'm in.
Oh, nice job.
Yep.
I definitely could have stayed in that longer.
Yep. Yep. Oh, yeah. There we go, buddy.
Beautiful.
Woo-hoo, all the way to VWAP.
Nice.
Still in it. I'm not taking it. I'm moving my trailing stop or moving my hard stop. So, oh, it took it $300. Damn it. Really small trades, but executing right. It's about execution, gang, isn't it? About making the right trades. And now everybody in the room's like, both of us took that short in the top.
Yep.
Right? Everybody in the room's like, what are they doing? I want to go long. Right?
Oh man. As soon as it tapped that 58-cent mark, I was like, bam.
Yep, same, man. I'm like,
I mean,
bye.
it was a true double top.
Mm-hmm.
So boom.
Yep. If only there were one place you could go to learn that, right, Nana?
Mm-hmm. I mean, do you remember three years ago? I knew nothing about nothing.
Yep.
And here I am playing spy with you guys.
I know it. It's amazing. You're up here at the big table.
It's funny. Nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I set a limit for the flip and I didn't get picked up to the upside on that one.
Oh, damn.
By the way, NVDA is like new high.
Oh,
Going
nice.
strong.
Yeah, the Qs are flying too. Actually, it's showing that on NQ as well. Oh, yep. I was gonna say it's look at NQ's strength to the upside. What the frick? Wow. Yeah, it's coming up. I want to get in it, but now it's coming up on resistance is 411. Yeah, look at NQ versus SPY. What the frick?
Wow.
Look at that.
That's
Isn't
a
that funny? I'm over here. I was
monster.
like, I'm gonna trade ES and look at NQ now. Look at it riding the 9 just perfectly on the 1 minute all the way up.
That's a much prettier ride.
Oh, for sure. This thing's stupid. I looked over at my 2 minute EWO indicators and I'm like, what is that? Look at this thing. This is the 2 minute chart. Look at it on the 2 minute. This is what I saw when I looked over there.
Oh my God, that's a work of art.
Just perfect stair step without a single red candle.
I'm playing around with a dead fish flopping.
Yeah, I'm over here. I'm like, I'm gonna go trade with Palm. Getting my face slapped around.
Bam.
Yeah, spy is like, forget it. Not today.
Yeah, and then I've got 411 though. It hit 408 and it's pulling back. So, like I said, as much as I wanted to at that point, it's I'm at the ceiling. Oh yeah, look at that. Tell me
That's
those
nice.
areas don't matter. Holy crap. And there goes SPY off of our top. 635.58 again, Palm. Look at that.
Had to take it at VWAP.
Oh, good job though.
Of course, now it's going to break and bitch.
I know that's what I'm looking for. I'm anticipating that. I'm actually shorting it now with not a lot of room to go, but oh, SPY is in a great spot for short now though. $635. No, that after a bleeder candle, is it just going to do a half candle and then get wrecked?
That's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, and then just get wrecked, fake out.
Yep. Thought about it, but I was like, held off for a second. I'm glad I did.
I'm over here getting greedy. I was in the green and I'm like, no, just a little.
Little bit more, and then oh damn it! Right, like oh. Come on. Yeah, NQ hit half candle, a little more. See if it's gonna flush again. That's what I'm looking for. Because it hit its first major ceiling over there, which was at 23,411, and it hit 23,408, which $3 on NQ is about right, $3 to $5, and it just flushed.
Shift change 30 seconds.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, thank you. Putting in a stop right now that I didn't have. Not playing that game. We're not gonna do that.
Coach, you
Yeah.
need to follow the rule of that guy,
I
man.
know it. You know, if there was a place I could go to learn this damn shit, somebody could teach me the ropes. Damn it. 5 seconds. Oh
Need
yeah.
most stop.
I'm on the short bus. Let's see what happens. Ah, it's getting a pump volume upside. No, no. It's right at VWAP though. I got enough room for it to breathe. Come on, you're not faking nobody out. I know you tried to drive it already. And Q's pushing up. Oh, I don't know if I have enough room. Oh, did I make it? Did I survive it? Am I clear yet? I just have it's sold. I was gonna say I just have to survive this push and I think it's gonna flush. We'll see. Still pushing. SPY's above VWAP now. Upside 635.58 again. And Q's up on the ceiling again. But now we got volume, so you know I'm shorting that shit.
Yep.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Get out of there, go.
Ooh, that was quick.
Still riding the lightning. Oh man, it's just teetering. Oh crap, I gotta go to my live studio. I got my notifications turned back on. There we go. So my live shouldn't just die over there anymore. I gotta take this and get out. I got greedy again, Palm. It was in there, but I was like, man, it's gotta have more, and it didn't. 411. It just tapped the ceiling at 1050. SPY just looks like dog shit. It just looks like it has nothing. You know what?
Yep.
There's nothing there. It can't make any room up. And it's barely hanging on in the green with at 80 cents.
It's garbage.
Yeah,
I've
it
not
wants to
been touching
die.
that thing.
It wants to die. It needs to be put out of its misery.
Yeah, that 23,411 is a gold line. I've had it for some time.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, it's on the 4-hour chart.
Oh, good. Thank you. Yep, there goes SPY.
Minute.
Yep, I'm shorting the shit out of NQ. That's a better trade. I'm gonna take it just because
Yep.
every time I've been greedy and holding it, it goes against me. I'm just gonna take the quick buck, 500 and move. Cannot be greedy, man, the way this has been happening. It's funny when you get in your mind, you're right, you're looking for that just like pull, 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 and keep going, and then it just goes against you. You're like, why didn't I just take it?
Been there and done that.
Yep. Get in, get green, get out. If that's what it's gonna do. If it's not gonna run one way or the other, get in, get green, and get out. Oh, this is
Another
still
little
heavy.
pull.
Yep, I'm gonna say this is still heavy as shit.
And I'm taking it again right there.
Nice job.
Nice. There's a little bit of lag on the fill, but it worked out in my favor that time because it pulled
Yeah,
back
yeah,
down.
it's got more. It's in a bleed out spot.
Yeah, it is. That's at 635 again, though.
Yep. Oh, that's nice, Palm.
It needs to break and hold under 634.75, in my opinion.
Didn't I say that thing looked like dog shit, everybody?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's a near-term double bottom from the open bell.
Yep.
Uh-huh. It
Played
needs
that
to
bounce.
break and hold under it.
It's that 634.85 again.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
80, yeah. 634.80.
Mm-hmm.
That was a nice bounce.
634.85, Dan. I see it right here. That's where I got it from earlier. Right here. Right here is 84 here, 85 here, 85 here. That's a beautiful
Yeah,
spot.
give it take, yes, that's
Yep,
where
yep.
it is.
Yep, yep.
That's why I want to see a break and hold under 635.75. I'm not touching to the downside.
See now right here with this pushback up, this is a weak ass push.
Oh, completely.
I caught it both ends.
Yeah, I'm shorting it.
It's just weak. It's weak.
I've got my 9 as my mental stop right here, so if it pops, popping now. Watch it. Nope, I'm out. No, God, that got a lot of energy. Like
Yeah,
no,
I sold
no.
my calls on the 9, and
Yeah,
then
oh good.
went a little bit further.
Yep.
So here's the thing that's going on. NVIDIA is to the upside as well as Tesla. So SPY is gonna be like bing bong, bing bong, bing bong.
All right, well, we're gonna get this pushed back to 411. Wow,
Because
that's
Apple is
crazy.
in the downside.
That
So
was a
it's,
weak put. There it goes. I was gonna say that was such a weak push, and then it fucking bleeds out when I'm out, right?
did you see that candle? It kind of
Yep.
blinked.
Yep. As soon as it hit VWAP, right?
Mm-hmm.
I told you, that
Yeah,
thing's
I'm not
weak as
touching that
shit.
thing until you pick a direction.
I told you, Palm, that shit's weak, right?
Yeah, I did catch it for the flip, but I sold too late and it wicked back on me.
I got you.
But that was a nice pull.
I'm gonna short here and hold because this has got, because I can let this thing work in this area. It has not on my end broke that 411, so let this thing work. What time is it? 10:08. Okay, nothing weird. SPY is stair stepping down now. If you look at it from 958, it's just straight down on a trend line. Everybody see that?
Yeah, pulled the
Yep.
921 too.
There's the trend line right there. I just drew it out. Yeah, it's weak sauce. It's got 73 cents to go from here to get back to previous day close. All right, the way that this is not moving, I'm going to put in a stop because this is where these hedge fund dipshits will come in and just explode something. You guys hear me talk about that a lot, right? When you see it really like just dies off, and that's when you get really comfortable, don't do that.
You got that right.
Yeah, as soon as you get comfortable and you're like, oh, I don't really have to have a stop. It's only moving 2 cents at a time. The hedge funds will just come in and just slaughter you. Put in a stop, even if it's a ridiculous stop, right? Even if it's nutto land, at least it'll protect you somewhat, right? Yeah, there's just no volume. Look at SPY. And then it'll do that ridiculous candle that it's, like that one sell-off candle 2 candles ago, right? You just don't know what it's going to do. Tell you what, it is cooking out here, gang. I am not going to be out here much longer. I am roasting. It got hot quick. There's a heat advisory out here today. And I feel every bit of it.
I think AMD has some institution buying going on right now.
Oh, does it? Yeah, well, it's following NVIDIA, right?
It's doing way better than NVIDIA today.
Is it? Let's see, 3%. NVIDIA, yeah, it really is. Yeah, maybe AMD's the one that had news that NVIDIA's following it, right? SPY broke that trend line to the downside, see it? And that's what gave it that big old boosted candle. Up on that ceiling again.
Yeah, I'm taking it there. I think it's going to start the range. People are starting to get nervous right on the edges now.
Mm-hmm.
I flipped it into shorts right away.
Yep, good job. Yeah, gang, it's next level. Let me sign off. My mouse is even hot. Like, it's not even the sun and it's cooked. Oh my gosh. All right, one of my members today is up over 100,000 right now, and I've got another member that's up today over 400. So between the two of these crazies, that's a $500,000. Good job. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators, guys. I'm cooking out here. Don't beat me up because I'm leaving early while I'm on my vacation. That would be very mean of you. I've been live every day on my vacation. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Of course, thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served, also all of our first responders,
Yeah, broke that double top. Now we
firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. There it is. Thank you. All right, listen, everybody have a blessed weekend. If you would do me a favor, go over to that 3-year anniversary, post something, a testimonial, your journey you've been on, whatever it is in the 3-year. I will be reviewing and reading all those and probably discussing every single one of those at our next Friday party for our 3-year anniversary. Thank you again, Palm, for dual banjo trading with me. As always, it's a pleasure, my friend. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you, everybody. Yeah, everybody have a great weekend, man. And what's the bets on me convincing my wife to leave early? Should I do that?